Hi everyone, Angelique here at Nurturing Our Wellbeing. So I've heard time and time again that you feel a lot of stress and you tend to hold it a lot in your shoulders and in your neck and in your jaw. And so I wanted to just pop on quickly in regards to a breath that is connected with those regions and those muscle groups. Okay, so we're going to be doing some big abdominal breaths. So those are the ones you might be aware in regards to when you're breathing in, it's like your stomach's expanding like a balloon. And then you'll notice that the air is going into your chest and the sides of your torso. And as you exhale, you'll slowly see that your breath is going down from your chest and then softening into your stomach. And that's how it kind of just flows in and out. So with that, connecting just some simple movements of your neck. We're going to try that. I'm going to show you. Okay? So I always invite you to kind of just sit still and just notice how you're feeling in this time and space. You're taking a nice big deep breath in, so taking a deep breath in. And as you exhale out, you're going to just tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. You're going to stay here, take a deep breath in, and you'll notice the tension along the left side of your neck perhaps. And if you are, just send the breath to that area. So take a nice deep breath in and exhaling out. One more time, breathing in. And as you exhale out, let your shoulders melt down your back. The next time you exhale, just roll your head heavy forward, nice and slow, being very mindful of how everything feels as you're moving over to the next side. And when you find your left ear is towards your left shoulder, you're going to take a nice big deep breath in. And now you're putting attention to the right side of your neck. Let it stretch, and as you exhale, let your breath just massage all of this part of your neck down around your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and exhaling out. Next time that you're exhaling again, you're going to roll your head forward once more, and then you're going to have your head back to neutral. And then we're going to be doing, it's going to be half. It's eagle pose in yoga, but since we're sitting, I'm sitting, you're going to be wrapping. So basically your right elbow goes right into the little crook of your left hand. Wrap it around so that your palms can meet. And you take a nice deep breath in. Let your elbows go towards your shoulders. You feel the stretch around your shoulders and your back body. And as you exhale out, release a bit. Breathing in. Exhaling out. And breathing in again. And even when you're exhaling out here and it's like here, try to see if you can just let your shoulders melt. You notice the difference there? Just let your shoulders drop a bit. Relax your jaw, relax your tongue. And then you can slowly start to exhale out. And then you'll do the same thing with the other side, because you always do. So this time will be your left elbow going into the right part of and then the same thing. Okay? So I wanted to just show you that. It's a quick little easy thing. You'd be surprised at how it can kind of stretch and release any tension that's in your jaw and your shoulders and in your back. And helps you just to connect for a little bit, changes the energy a little bit for you. Okay, so this is a simple one. If you don't even feel like getting up, I always recommend you do get up and do some movement. But if you really just feel like you need to still sit down to complete something, that is something that you can easily do to connect your mind and your body and your breath. All right, hope you found it helpful. Always give feedback, give suggestions for others, right? And don't forget that self-care is the best care in your time. It is now. All right, have a great day or night, everyone.